Alright, in my last video of the series Big Girl Little Bags, I packed 4 days worth of things inside of a Tom Bihn Brain Bag. Actually, I had more than 4 days worth of clothes. A lot of people would travel for quite a few weeks with the amount of clothes that I took, but it was 4 days of things I wanted to wear and to have some variety. So in this one, I'm going to try to go a little bit smaller. This is a discontinued item. This is the Tortuga Air. This is a backpack that starts off at 27 liters, but it can be expandable to 32 liters. I'm going to try to keep it at 27 liters to see how well I can go from 35, 36 liters of the Tom Bihn down to 27 liters for maybe a more streamlined, less bulky look while I'm traveling. Also, on this trip, I don't want to acquire a lot of things, so I don't have a need to have a lot of space for, buying stuff and bringing it back. So I'm going to unpack the brain bag and pack the Tortuga Air. Again, this one's been discontinued. They've come out with some really great new products, one of which I am eagerly awaiting to arrive in the mail. But these can be found on eBay for a really good price now because it's discontinued. But they still are really good bags. So if you're not familiar with them, Tortuga makes really high quality products. They're designed by travelers for travelers. Got great padding on the back, good padding on the straps. There's an outside pocket that's I'm holding it upside down. Okay, so outside pocket that has an organizer feature to it, and it's also pretty deep. Then you have a main compartment that has some compression straps on one side, and then basically like a built-in packing cube on the other. So you can put loose things in here, put them in there, and then zip it up. But since I'm doing a repack of a test pack, I'm going to keep everything inside of packing cubes. Alright, so I'm going to lay out the Tortuga, and I don't know how well this can be seen. So starting with the big compartment of the brain bag, I'm going to take out all those packing cubes. So let's see. Alright, so here are a pair of thong style sandals that I wear for both casual and dressy, but I must confess I'm not a shoe person, so I'm okay with that. I also have a pair of fit kicks. Both these are size 10. So let's that at the bottom there. Alright, this packing cube has a pair of dress pants, a pair of casual kind of linen type pants, a pair of jean shorts, and a sun hat. So I've got these two things in that main compartment, and this is on top. So here, there are 5 tops in here. So I've got a couple of one really dressy kind of sequence top. One top is dressy, could be casual if I wear it with the jean shorts, and then I've got a couple like t-shirt type tops. All right, and this is pajamas, underwear, socks, bras, all that good stuff. I'm going to put that on the other side, compression side. All right. Now let's see. There's some more clothes in here. All right. This is a Tom Bihn, and I forgot the name of it, but this is a laundry bag. This is one of those where you put your clean things on one side, and then as they get dirty, you put them on the other side and just kind of push it through until finally one side is completely full. I've got gym gear in this one, so I have a t-shirt or a tank, shorts, sports bra. I'm going to wear my cross trainers on the plane. There. Okay. Then there's got toiletries here, which I'm going to shove in here. Got makeup. This is a Tom Bihn 3D clear organizer. See how much space is at the very bottom. And I think I need to just go ahead and do the compression straps on this. It's getting dicey. Well, something flat can go on top of that. Okay. Scattered things so much. Okay. So let's see. I can get my liquids on the top here. So I do TSA pre-check, so it's okay if I kind of bury my liquids baggie because I don't have to pull that out, but you might not want to do that. I have a pouch of jewelry, and I'll be wearing jewelry too. So I've got some casual jewelry and one set of dressier rhinestone-ish jewelry. Okay, let's see. I think no, I'm not gonna put the iPad this far down because I might want that on the plane. Let's see. I might be able to get my purse in here. We're gonna try that. So I know my purse can fit on the outside compartment, but I just want to see what happens if I just go ahead and pack it in there. Realistically, when I'm traveling, I'll just use something that holds my cell phone and a credit card and my ID that I would have on the outside. I don't usually need to have my whole purse with me, have easily accessible. So, all right. So this is what everything's looking like so far, and we'll see how it zips. Again, I have not released the extra capacity, so that could give me space if I did pick up a couple of things on the trip. It's zipping up pretty well so far. All right. Now there's a back compartment that's meant for technical gear. I'm going to slide the iPad there since it's got the padded protection. And let's see, let's got something up here. Oh yes, okay. So I've got chargers. I've got a backup battery pack, and I've got my chargers and cords, all that stuff that we are tethered to these days. I'll put that in this front compartment. And a little medication pack that'll go in the front. Get my water bottle. And I'll make sure I've gotten everything out of this big bag. That I have. All right. And so the only thing I don't care about on this bag is the way that the water bottle pocket is. They've improved that with the newer ones. But it unzips, so you could use it to secure things. But as a water bottle holder, I mean it's secure, but I would prefer that it was deeper. But anyway, so here's everything in a 27-liter backpack. Put it on. And again, my bags tend to be heavy, but thankfully I'm strong enough to carry them. This could fit under the seat of the plane, so you don't have to, be part of the fight for overhead space if you don't want to. And this is, again, this puts me in the realm of still one bag travel, because even my purse, everything is in there. I could pull some stuff out to have with me during the flight, put it in like a thin little bag, and then stick the rest of this in the overhead bin if I wanted to, or this could be just everything I need. This bag does not come with a hip strap, but it's still fairly comfortable, even though I've got quite a bit in here. So again, this is the Tortuga Air with the 27-liter dimension. If I unzip the zipper, I'll have 32 liters. Oh, let's see, there's a pocket on the top, but I've stuffed this bag so much I don't think I could use it. But there is a little pocket. I guess I could shove stuff down and I could put my ID for whatever there. And to expand it, I always forget. Oh, here it is. Okay. So there are zippers along this side here. And if I unzip this, I have unzipped the bag. So let's try that again. Take off the compression. There it is. And if I unzip here, I don't know if you can see how much that just poofed out. So that gives me some more space that I can get things inside the suitcase if I need it. But again, my strategy is usually to travel with this thing completely closed, and if I need to open it for the return, I know I've got some space. Alright, so there are some compression straps on the side, so I can tighten this and make it even less bulky than it is. So each side has these straps. Alright, so there's that. And I can still access things even with the compression straps closed. I can still access stuff. So this organizer pocket, if I was one to use this for money, whatever, I can get to it, no problem. And I can get to this top pocket. Alright, so don't let anything stop you from being a carry-on person. You can get a lot of stuff into these bags, even if you're a larger size.